Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at TD Markets, a broker that's been making waves across Africa and beyond. We'll explore everything you need to know about what TD Markets offers and whether it could be the right broker for you. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. TD Markets is a multi-asset broker that positions itself as Africa's most trusted trading platform. They give traders access to a wide variety of instruments, all through the popular MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. With fast execution, mobile and desktop access, and even social and copy trading features, TD Markets is designed to cater to a wide range of trading styles. The broker is regulated while also offering international services through a separate entity. They include a wide variety of account options, with leverage up to 1 to 500 and minimum deposits starting from just $50, giving traders plenty of flexibility. They also highlight secure fund management with top-tier banks, negative balance protection, and quick deposits and withdrawals. On top of this, TD Markets promotes itself with educational support through its academy and has collected multiple industry awards. The broker offers a wide selection of trading instruments across multiple asset classes, giving traders the flexibility to diversify their trading strategies. Their lineup includes Forex, with a full range of major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, global shares and stocks available through contracts for difference, where traders can take advantage of both rising and falling markets, as well as popular global indices, providing exposure to the performance of entire economies or sectors. For those interested in commodities, TD Markets gives access to metals like gold and silver, as well as energy products such as oil and gas. They also support trading in a growing list of cryptocurrencies and exchange-traded funds, opening the door to modern, alternative markets. All of these instruments are available through the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms with competitive spreads and leverage, making it possible to tailor your portfolio to match your trading style and goals. TD Markets is overseen by South Africa's Financial Services Conduct Authority. They are also authorized as a crypto assets service provider under the same FSCA license, which means their cryptocurrency-related offerings are within a regulated framework. In Botswana, TD Markets has received a no objection from the non-bank financial institutions regulatory authority, meaning its operations there are acknowledged and permitted under local financial rules. When it comes to client protection, TD Markets states that client funds are held in top-tier banks, separate from the company's operational capital. They also maintain legal documentation covering key policies, risk disclosure, order execution, complaints resolution, conflict of interest, privacy, and others. All of this shows a commitment to regulatory compliance, transparency, and security, which are important factors for anyone considering using them as a trusted broker. TD Markets runs a few different promotions and bonus programs. One of their ongoing promotions is TDM Boost, which offers a non-losable bonus for Boost account holders. This bonus can go up to 400% of the deposit, up to a 1,000 USD cap. There are conditions though. You need to have a verified account, and during certain news or data releases, leverage may be limited. They also have TD Bucks, a cashback style program which gives you cashback every time you trade, with no added risk or extra cost mentioned. Besides that, there are regular competitions and challenges open to certain account types, with surprise giveaways and trader spotlight features. The broker clearly states that bonuses are credits on tradable margin only. They are not withdrawable under any circumstances. Also, they reserve the right to remove bonuses or reject bonus applications under certain conditions. TD Markets gives traders access to the industry-leading MetaTrader platforms, both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, plus their very own social trading tools. MetaTrader 4 remains a favorite for many, thanks to its easy-to-use interface, advanced charting, custom indicators, expert advisors, and compatibility across desktop, mobile, and web. On the other hand, MetaTrader 5 with TD Markets is presented as the next generation upgrade. which include more technical indicators, more analytical objects, more timeframes, enhanced order types, backtesting, and automated trading features. For traders who like community features, there's also social trading, allowing users to follow or copy other traders. All platforms are accessible from multiple devices, so you can trade on desktop, phone, or tablet, which is handy for being connected even on the go. TD Markets provides a wide range of account types, each designed to suit different trading needs and experience levels. The TDM Max account is their most accessible option, requiring just a $5 minimum deposit, with spreads starting from 1.8 pips and zero commission. This account is ideal for beginners who want to test the waters. Next is the TDM Cent account, available from just $10, which allows you to trade in cent lots, making it a practical choice for learning with very small risk. The TDM Mini account offers raw spreads from 0.1 pips with a $1 commission per mini lot, paired with a $50 minimum deposit, giving traders tighter pricing at a lower entry point. The popular TDM Gold account requires a $50 minimum deposit and comes commission-free, with spreads starting from 1.8 pips, making it a solid middle ground choice for standard retail traders. For traders needing swap-free conditions, the TDM Islamic account mirrors the Gold account's features while remaining fully compliant with Sharia law. Stepping up, the TDM Pro account is designed for experienced traders, offering raw spreads from 0.1 pips with a $7 commission per lot and a $1,000 minimum deposit, giving professionals access to tighter pricing and faster execution. Finally, for those focused on digital assets, the TDM Crypto account is tailored for traders who want a crypto-native account setup. With this account, you need a minimum deposit of 0.03 BTC, and you get raw spreads starting from about 0.2 pips on major Forex pairs, along with a small commission per standard lot. The crypto account gives access to not only cryptocurrencies, but also Forex, indices, stocks, and other instruments, all under these same trading platforms. It's designed for traders who are comfortable trading in BTC, or who want exposure to digital assets with the transparency of raw pricing. It's slightly more expensive in commission compared to commission-free accounts, but you get tighter spreads and the ability to combine crypto and other markets from one account. With this broad range of accounts, the broker ensures that whether you're a beginner, casual trader, or seasoned professional, there's an option that fits your trading style and budget. Additionally, the broker offers a demo account that lets you practice trading in a risk-free environment, using virtual funds, so there's no financial danger while you learn. It mirrors live market conditions, where you get realistic spreads, order execution, and access to many of the same instruments and platform features as live accounts. The demo account is a valuable tool for new or intermediate traders to build confidence, test tactics, and compare account types before committing to a live account. Creating an account with TD Markets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Live Account button, or you can simply open a demo account. Next, submit and verify your personal information in order to open a live account. Keep in mind that in order to open a live account, you will need to verify your account application in order to proceed. Next, after your account has been created, you will need to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the TD Markets Web Trader. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 Web Trader with TD Markets. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your Market Watch. Here you can browse through and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's available platforms, TD Markets provides a wide variety of helpful educational content to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. TD Markets provides a range of convenient deposit and withdrawal options to make funding and accessing your trading account as seamless as possible. Deposits can be made via bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and popular e-wallets, giving traders flexibility regardless of location. Withdrawals are typically processed within 24 hours on business days, ensuring fast access to your funds. To maintain security and comply with regulatory standards, all deposits and withdrawals must be made using the same method and under the same account holder's name. The minimum deposit to start trading is $50, and TD Markets also provides clear instructions and support to guide new traders through the funding process. These features make managing your account straightforward, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational tools through the TDM Academy, designed to support traders at all levels. Their offerings include an extensive library of class recordings, covering a wide range of trading strategies and market analysis techniques. Additionally, the Academy features engaging podcast video content that delves into various aspects of finance, offering insightful discussions and special guest appearances on topics that can inspire and invigorate your trading journey. For real-time learning, TD Markets offers live trading rooms, providing a unique opportunity to observe and participate in market analysis as it unfolds. These resources aim to empower traders with the knowledge and skills to navigate the financial markets confidently. The broker keeps traders informed with a rich stream of insights through their blog. They cover a range of topics from technical analysis on currency pairs like the euro to US dollar and Great British Pound to Japanese yen, to fundamental insights on market-moving events such as CPI data and central bank decisions. For example, some of their posts have highlighted trends in gold and silver, as well as emerging opportunities in indices, investing, and more. These analytics aim to help traders make informed decisions by combining chart patterns with macroeconomic context. Whether you're a short-term scalper or a long-term investor, their blog offers valuable perspectives to support your trading journey. Over the years in operation, TD Markets has been recognized with several prestigious awards. Notably, in 2025, the company was honored with the Best Forex Trading Platform in Southern Africa, awarded at the Global Excellence Awards, highlighting its user-friendly interface and competitive offering. Additionally, TD Markets received multiple accolades at the FAME Awards, including the Best ECN and STP Broker in Africa, the Best Educational Resources Broker in Africa, and the Best Partner Program in Africa, reflecting its comprehensive services and dedication to trader education and partnership. Overall, TD Markets is a broker that stands out in the financial trading landscape. With its strong regulatory framework under the FSCA, TD Markets offers a secure environment for traders. The broker provides access to over 200 instruments, including Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, and more, catering to a diverse range of trading strategies. Traders can choose from a variety of account types, each tailored to different trading needs and preferences. The availability of both MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms ensures that traders have access to advanced tools and features for efficient trading. Educational resources through the TDM Academy, along with timely news and analysis, empowers traders to make informed decisions. The broker's commitment to fast execution and multilingual support enhances the overall trading experience. Recognized with multiple awards, TD Markets has established itself as a reputable choice for traders seeking reliability and comprehensive services. So whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, TD Markets offers the tools, resources, and support to help you navigate the financial markets with confidence. And that is our overview of TD Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.